All right, let's just dive right in. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a highly profitable, brilliantly designed experiential franchise model. If you're an aspiring franchise buyer, maybe an investor, or even a corporate professional looking to finally step into ownership, well, you're going to want to pay close attention. We're analyzing Taste Bud's Kitchen, which is a brand that has, quite frankly, revolutionized the culinary entertainment space.
So, I want you to ask yourself this right out of the gate. Are you looking to turn a passion for experiences into a profitable portfolio? Because let's be real, in today's market, consumers aren't just buying products anymore. They're buying memories, right? They're buying experiences. And as an investor, aligning yourself with a business that delivers those unforgettable, hands-on experiences, that's exactly how you build a resilient, thriving portfolio.
Section 1. The culinary entertainment boom.
Just look at the sheer scale of this market. Taste Bud's Kitchen isn't just your average cooking school. It's this innovative concept that's thriving right at the center of the multi-billion-dollar children and family entertainment sector. Now, as a strategist, you know what I look for: shifting consumer behavior. Today, families are seriously prioritizing spending on high-quality, engaging, screen-free activities. By positioning a business in this specific experiential sector, you're tapping into a demand curve that is literally skyrocketing. You're fulfilling this fundamental human desire for connection and skill building, all in a really premium environment.
Moving on to Section 2, a unique dual revenue model. Okay, this right here is the aha moment for multi-unit operators. Kids' kitchen by day, adult kitchen by night. Think about it. In standard retail or entertainment models, you're paying commercial rent on a space that basically sits completely empty for half the day. Taste Bud's Kitchen actually solves this. These beautiful, state-of-the-art kitchen studios generate continuous revenue from morning all the way until night. You're effectively cutting your real estate burden per revenue dollar in half because your asset is constantly working for you. It's optimizing utilization across 12 or more hours a day, which is absolutely huge.
And you know, this dual model naturally translates into incredibly robust revenue streams. It's exactly how you insulate a business from seasonality. During the day, the studio is packed with hands-on kids classes, those highly sought-after summer camps and school field trips. But then, when the sun goes down, the whole studio transforms. I mean, the aprons stay on, obviously, but the dynamic shifts to lucrative adult BYOB date nights, bachelorette celebrations, and premium corporate team-building events. You're capturing entirely different target demographics under one single roof, successfully diversifying your cash flow. It's brilliant.
All right, Section 3, exploring the investment financials.
To qualify for this premium franchise opportunity, there's an initial net worth requirement of $500,000. And honestly, this is a critical metric. Why? Because it ensures that the franchise network is built with well-capitalized, serious operators. You aren't just buying a business here, you're joining a network of highly capable, well-funded peers. People who actually have the financial foundation to successfully launch, sustain, and eventually scale their operations within the system.
So, to get one of these state-of-the-art kitchen studios fully up and running, your total investment is going to range from $382,500 to $530,098. To initiate this, you'll need liquid capital of $150,000. For this high level of experiential retail, that's actually a highly competitive entry point. This capital covers the complete build-out of those beautiful kitchen studios, essentially transforming a raw commercial space into the vibrant, revenue-generating heart of your local community.
Operationally speaking, there's a straightforward 8% royalty fee. Now, as an investor, you really shouldn't view this simply as an expense. Think of it as a strategic investment in your own competitive moat. This fee goes right back into fueling the brand's ongoing growth, the continuous development of fresh, innovative culinary curriculums, and those robust franchisee support systems. That's what ensures your studio stays booked, busy, and totally top of mind in your specific market.
Section 4. Turnkey operations and support.
You know, franchising really operates on one powerful principle. You go into business for yourself, but never by yourself. This particular model provides a super easy-to-follow turnkey path to success. It's fully backed by an expert leadership team that is deeply invested in your operational excellence. If you're someone transitioning out of a corporate career, this means you don't have to figure out complex supply chains or write curriculums or build marketing strategies totally from scratch. They've got you covered.
And that's exactly why Taste Bud's Kitchen is such a highly sought-after emerging opportunity, especially if you're a multi-unit operator. The concept has been carefully proven and refined since 2013, boasting 10 highly successful units. Let me tell you, in the franchising world, that kind of deliberate, sustainable growth is a massive green flag. With their extensive corporate support and streamlined operations, you spend way less time reinventing the wheel and way more time actually scaling your portfolio and delighting your guests with exceptional culinary entertainment.
Finally, Section 5, your next steps.
Okay, so what now? Well, your absolute best next step is to connect with the National Franchise Association. The NFA is the premier membership organization and resource completely dedicated to helping aspiring owners and multi-unit operators strategically match their goals with the perfect franchise offerings. They basically act as your primary instruction guide. They are the true experts in helping you navigate these opportunities so you can build real, generational wealth.
If you're serious about exploring the Taste Buds Kitchen franchise opportunity, seriously, do not wait. Head directly over to nationalfranchiseassociation.com right now to dive deeper into this investment and get all your strategic questions answered. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this one final thought. We live in a world where consumers are increasingly prioritizing unforgettable memories over material goods. So are you ready to stop watching the experience economy boom from the sidelines and start owning a highly profitable piece of it? Go check out the NFA website today. Here's to building your robust portfolio